Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
Panda PAN6320W portable machine, 10 pounds capacity, 10 wash programs, 2 built-in rollers casters, compact top-load cloth washer, 1.34 Cu.ft, gray. It is a space-saving design which makes your laundry easy and simple. It is perfect for apartment, RV, vacation, home, dorm, and second washer for your house. Enhanced version 2 built-in rollers casters increase mobility for easy move around. Lager size 134 cubic feet capacity allows you to hold up to 10 pounds of cloth. Timeless design, regular 3 prongs, 110 voltage which can be plugged anywhere. Electronic controls with LED display, 10 washing programs and 5 water level. Stainless steel drum is durable and resists rust and chipping. Connect the washer directly to your faucet with the included quick connect adapter kit, US standard size faucet adapter, and hose.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.